How to remove silent mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or remove silent mode on your iPhone so you never miss a call or text again. It's quick and easy process, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's check the physical switch on the left side on your iPhone and right above the volume buttons. And here, that's the silent mode switch. If it is flipped toward the back of the phone, silent mode is on. But if it is flipped toward the screen, your ringer is on. You might see a notification on a screen saying silent mode is on or ringer when you toggle it. If you have a case on, it might make the switch hard to reach, so take it off if needed. Now next, let's make sure you don't have any focus modes like Do Not Disturb turned on. So swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. And here, if you see Do Not Disturb, Work, Sleep or any focus mode is on, just tap on it to turn it off. And once off, it should say Focus with no active mode running. And finally, let's make sure your ringer volume is loud. So simply open the settings app, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Now here, under the ringer and alerts, use the slider to increase your ringtone volume. You can also enable the option to change with buttons if you want to adjust ringer volume with the side button. And that's it. Now you have turned off silent mode and disabled focus mode and cranked up the ringer volume so your iPhone is ready to ring loud and clear. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.